Today, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another interesting radio from Jeff's collection. This is a GE AM, FM, and instant radio. See if I can bring this up where you can see it. See right there, it says instant radio. If my camera would ever focus. Right there on the top. Come on, camera. Wake up. There we go. So it's AM, FM, and NOAA weather. And very unique way it tunes. To tune the instant weather, there's a dial on the back. Right here. So this is how you tune that band. And then the AM and FM band is tuned with a knob right here. Here's on-off volume. Here's, whoops, let me put the antenna down a little bit. Here is the earbud jack and the 9-volt DC adapter. It does use a single 9-volt battery. There's the band select, IW for instant weather, FM, AM. He's had this radio for a long time, and it's about a 1980s vintage. And it works pretty good. It's got a few scratches on it, not a big deal. Let me turn the AM on. Let's see what we got here. Yep, turn this volume down. I'll to blast you here. Very unique tuning dial. So I can get the glare off. Let me show you if I can find it. There we go. See how that bar slides across?
Better than they do. Optima is A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau, and they having resolved over $1 billion
There's
of tax
AM,
debt for their
or
clients. Get a fresh start.
yeah.
Call today for your free consultation. Call 800-343.
El aumento
Very
del gasto
directional.
de la casa. Por ejemplo, aquí yo estoy vía Uber.
It does a pretty good job on AM. Let's go to FM. Gotta stay away from music. Now we're using the telescopic antenna, which is about 24 inches. And we'll find the tuning dial again. Go down the band.
Whether you need a $500,000 policy or a $5 million policy, Select Quote could save you more than 50%
Yeah, nice and
on
clear.
term life insurance. For your free quote.
Plenty of volume. Whoa, plenty of volume. Turn the volume down. Lots of music.
Find in our hearts. What happens is this: the Holy Spirit of God.
Getting a lot of stations. That's a carrying strap, which is it's kind of a funny cloth. It's not plastic. It is not removable except cutting it off. Okay, we don't need to hear your music.
They're saying all he has is coatings, so that's why nobody checked it off. I don't know what they're thinking.
Dale lo que quieras.
So we're getting plenty of volume, plenty of stations. No weather came in fine. No weather is only, the transmitter is maybe 30 miles from me, so it's not a long distance. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios so I can show them to you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.